Boys, it's two Fratboys here with Turtles. Pre-opening we have Turtles everywhere! Michael attacking the Turtles.
Little Fairy, Parsec, Viking Avatar, Gaga Wind, CXE, Dark Ray Trigger, Mermail, Abyss, whatever that is. That thing, whatever that is, and Blizzard Falcon.
Right, pack 2.
Alright, come on, Turtles!
The luck of the Turtles.
Second pack.
They've actually got a nice looking promo.
There we go, Miracles, Eagle Shark, Memory Loss, number 69, Giggity.
He's getting some nice
Thing again,
where it seems.
Baby Atlantean, another Necroland Beast Man, whatever that is.
To make it better, here you're going to have to pull the half the seed.
Come on, I'll be quick, come on, I'll be quick. Come on, quick.
Making packs harder to open since 2001.
It's a
Common Seas? Altitude Knight.
Oh wow, your fools are so
Battling
amazing.
Boxer, terrible name.
Yay!
Yay!
A leopard, wow.
That's what I needed.
Nothing ain't that great.
It can be good. Your spirit. This
Oh, you got a hollow.
Yay!
Tachyon.
And you got the harpy
Seeds. And another
King of Falcons.
I need your King of Barrels. You need I need 2 King of Barrels.
What is it right now?
And finally we have High Tide on Fire Island. That sounds like a story.
Yes, Vikings versus Atlanteans. Oh, I need that.
So all in all,
baby dragon.
1 Ultra.
all in all, I got ass.
Right, let's go, dude.
Right, it goes Kane.
Ryan, you'll be next.
Yes.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
That's fine. Mike,
Alright, let's see
you
what
got
we got
like 3
here.
things I might want of you afterwards.
Tachyon.
Cover card.
Okay. Here we go.
Ultra. Cover cards are always ultras.
What we got, Kane?
A leopard.
Go, go, go.
What was the rest? Oh, go.
Go, Gigas. I got Naughty. Oh, who came?
Damn.
Who came?
Would you like some hoot cake?
And I got Hoppy. Nice.
It's a Noctowl. A wild Noctowl just appeared.
No, knocked out.
Look, kick.
Come on, Cardinal.
We want to call
Yeah, most of the XYZs are commons and rares.
I got another super duck fighter. Yeah.
I need that off you, King.
Yeah.
And I need this as well.
King of the Feral Imps.
Yeah, I'm making a rabbit build with this.
there.
A rabbit
Was it
build.
involved heroin?
It's called Gremlin Rabbit. Originally it was called King Gremlin.
Rhino.
Oh, we got one of the elemental dragons.
Make a phantom beast, blah blah blah. Where's the secret set?
Red Mine and
Real prophecy.
Right, here we go.
Anyone anything decent?
Here we go.
These are tokens because the reason why I bought them, there's monsters involving tokens.
Yeah, Hootcake.
I'm very jelly.
You jelly, bro. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. You're a bastard. I hate you.
You're a lucky motherfucker, I swear.
What? Cardinal. Ryan, is that for trade?
It could be.
Nice.
Oh, a revenge. I had
Jelly, bro.
I just had to sack that out.
These two firefish players.
But as someone pulled a Draco sack, I might want that more.
Sorry, we'll go pull a dragon.
Harpy's Bed Morose Dragon. Oh, I'm so jelly, bro.
Tokens. In this set, there's monsters that bring out tokens.
I haven't read anything really. I can feel that I'm not going to pull anything good.
Called
Trust Ryan to get the secret I wanted.
You can actually make blaster in the deck.
I think he got cracked about it.
Holo. Hysteric sign. Jay, I pulled an hysteric sign for you.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, let's go, Dean. Pull me a cardinal. Come on, Dean. Pull me a cardinal.
I'll try.
Yes.
I got.
Yay!
Ooh, the whale.
Oh,
Whale.
I need that off you, the Bally.
I try and get cardinal off Ryan. We'll chip in together and get cardinal off Ryan.
I got one of these about.
I got an old team. There you go.
Oh,
Stella Omega, nice.
do I have barrel rolls? Oh yeah, they're rare. Go another shot, Fortress.
Count the 2 packs left. Ulti and Ultra, not bad.
And all I got was a hoop gauge.
Oh, I got a rare.
Rhino, yay. Oh, I want my Cardinal off you, Ryan. Ryan, need that off you.
I'd have a keep it.
Alright guys, that was 3.